Hello students, welcome back to a class of English, and today we'll discuss about one of the important grammar topic, that is that how to spot the errors, or as we can say that it's an editing task. Editing task is of two types. The one is to find the errors, to spot the errors, and the second one omission, that to insert the correct word. And today I'm just going to give you few hints that which would be really helpful for you to detect or to spot the errors in the given passage. So let's discuss about those errors. As we know that in error finding there are mostly the errors related to the grammar. It may be the error of tense, it may be the error of verb, it may be the error of modal verb, it may be the error of tense, it may be the error of adjective, adverb, article. So basically these would be the errors of grammar. So let's find out that what are the tips, what are the hints that would really be very useful for you to spot the errors and to find out the errors. So the first one is, that is the most important, is to read the passage carefully and completely. The very first one is to read the passage carefully. As we know that when we go through the passage, first we have to recapitulate, or we have to identify that what is the tense of that passage, whether the tense or whether the passage is in the present time or in the past time or in the future time. So which tense is being used here throughout the passage. If you would be able to identify the tense of the passage, then automatically half of your passage would be done. So as after checking the tense, firstly correct the line or the sentence with correct tense of the verb, and after that when you would be able to identify whether it's the present tense, past or other tense, then check for singular or plural. As you all know that we are with which helping verb is to be used singular subject, or with which subject is to be used which helping verb. Then after identifying the tense, you would be able to identify the usage of singular and plural subjects as per the verb. So have a look. As with I, with subject I, which helping verbs are to be used? Either am, was or have. As we know that I is a singular subject, but we all are well aware with this rule that I always take a plural verb. And if we talk about the present time or singular same continuous tense, then it will take I am. And if it's a past, it will take I was. And if we talk about the perfect time, then it would be I have. And the next one is he, she, it, name. With he, she, it, name, they all are singular subjects, so they will take the verb or helping verb accordingly. With he, she, it or any singular name, what will be used? Either has, is or was as per the tense. So now let's talk about some general rules, and these rules are also known as subject verb agreement rules, as even though we have discussed earlier when we have done the editing task, but even as this topic is very important, so let's discuss one more time that what are the rules that we need to keep in mind while doing editing task. The first one is certain nouns being a singular form represent plurality, therefore takes a plural verb in a sentence. That certain nouns, even though they are, if we talk about the formation, they are singular, but in meaning they are plural, so they will take a plural verb in a sentence. For example, police, clergy, people, peasantry, cattle. As if we talk about the form of these words, they are singular, but they always represent a plural meaning, so they will be used with plural verb. Like people has left, it would be incorrect, it would be wrong, because people, even though it doesn't contain s or s, but it always be, people means number of persons, so it will always take a plural verb. People have left. In the same manner, the police have come. The cattle are grazing. So now let's have a look on the next rule. Certain nouns take the plural verb because of their plural form. Certain nouns take the plural verb because of their plural form. For example, clothes, scissors, trousers, amends, spectacles, thanks. So as they are plural, and even they will take the plural verb. Clothes, scissors. For example, the spectacles is missing, is incorrect, is wrong. The spectacles are missing. I have worn the trousers. I have the amends. I have made the amends. So the one more thing, if we add here a pair of, then it will take a singular verb. A pair of scissors, a pair of trousers. So in this manner, if we apply a pair of with these few nouns like scissors, trousers, then it will take a singular verb. But when it is used alone without implying a pair of, then it will take a plural verb. And the next one is when a noun denoting weight, number, money, length or measure is following a number, the noun form doesn't change as long as another noun or pronoun follow it. When any of the noun, the naming word denotes weight, number, money, length or measure and is following a number, the noun doesn't change as long as another noun or pronoun follows it. Let's take an example. Million, pair, meter, year, dozen. It will say this is a 9 meters scale. So it would be incorrect, because when we apply a number to any of the weight, money or length, then it will take a singular noun that will be followed the weight or the number or the money or the measure. This is a 100 rupee note. Will not say this is a 100 rupees note. Let's take another example. It will say 2 quintals is not a small quantity. As a number has been applied here, so it will take a singular verb. 500 kilometers is a long distance. 100 kilometers are a long distance. 10,000 rupees is not a big amount. So now let's move next. When the pronoun one is used, it should be maintained. It should be maintained throughout the whole sentence. For example, it will say one should do one's duty. It would be correct, but it will say one should do his duty. It will be wrong. When one as a pronoun is used, so it should be maintained throughout the whole sentence. Let's take the example, one must help his siblings. It would be incorrect, and the correct one would be one must help one's sibling. So this one would be the correct one.